Nope, keep going. Oh shit, that's actually working.
You never call, you never run me or nothing. I set myself up to fall. I was stupid then to try. Living a lie, I'm in a fantasy world, but the hero will win this time. 'Cause if I do it,
The other one's a statement.
Right here.
I don't feel sorry for you. How sad you're gonna be. I wish I could stick around to see your face when you realize you've permanently changed. And it's all thanks to me. I was wrong for coming here. Run around your lonely home, look for my face, but I'm already gone.
Not even on the cut anymore, it's a whole different set.
Okay, now try jumping on it. I bet you can get it.
Hold on, here. Maybe you barely started on break here, dude.
I was stupid then to try.
Into this other one.
Something in the way that you shut the door.
We got a knife here. Let's jump on it. I want you to jump.
Dragging myself back for more.
Always the wall.
Oh shit, I'm gonna hit that.
I don't feel sorry.
That was freaking cute now.
How sad you're gonna be. I wish I could stick around to see your face when you realize you permanently changed. And it's all thanks to me. I was wrong for coming here.
No, the second break's coming off with the left.
Run around your lonely home, look for my
I should have put that. You're running up right where I put the light.
One day you're gonna see life's empty.
What are you gonna use for a hammer?
I swear
It works.
we will share this sad.
What are you gonna
I know it's cold, but I will
No, I think I might use the actual hammer.
with all the hate.
Instead of punching it this time?
It will be walking hand in hand together.
Dude, and they're like cut off the same.
Where's my hammer?
I could stick around to see your face when you realize you permanently changed. And it's all thanks to me. I was wrong for coming here. You'll wake alone and run around your lonely home, look for my face.
Got an idea. Anyway. Maybe if I turn them like this. Where's my step?
Over there.
Over there.
Over there on you.
Over yonder. It's not working.
You know what's funny? That stuff's level with that one.
Hold on, guys. I got this. Guys, I need my knife. I need my saw. This is called ghetto repairs, by the way.
What's you gonna find to do with this one?
I
Don't
don't
believe me,
know.
I've got a use for it already.
You're gonna comb his pubes.
Yeah, this is hard.
Turn that off.
What?
We're fixing steps.
Hey, Dad, wait, no! Come back! Dad! The stair's broken.
I'm fixing it.
I ran away when you said that.
Guys, it's really a strong board.
Jump on it again. Tear it off piece by piece. Fucking dick.
Guys, I need pliers. Where's my hammer? This is what that's good for. Yep. You know how it is.
Don't figure out what's
Look near the basket.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, Jesse, start swinging it that way until it gets stuck. No, you have to do it really hard.
Uh-oh.
Which one?
That one?
Trying to fix it with this board.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to fix it with this board.
Don't even worry about it. I'll just replace both. I'll replace.
Dude, I just wasted my stupidity for nothing.
It was really funny. We cammed and eaten shit.
No. There's a 2x4 right there. It's
Is it
brand.
nails? I'll fix this shit.
It's brand new.
Yeah, we could've found
no
it now.
hammer. And just wait till tomorrow, and I'll make sure I say something before anybody else steps on it.
Alright. I'll just leave this posted up like this so nobody does hit it, because believe me, it hurts when you fall that far.
Can we watch Jesse do it tomorrow?
Well, I knew it was going to happen eventually.
Yeah, Alexis just locked down him and...
All I did was take one step and it was just like, oh.
Yeah, just
Yeah, to get it fixed for him.
just leave that one where everybody can kind of see it.
I plan on sticking it up like this.
Hide it underneath the porch.
Like this.
Yeah, that'll work. I'm gonna fix the bottom one too. I just gotta cut some new boards.
Yeah, let's do that tomorrow morning. I gotta switch my room too, still.
Why?
Damn.
You gotta actually ask if you can.
Oh, I have to ask Angel?
Yeah.
Alright.
Because the only thing about that window in that room, one of the trim, when you push
No, I'm having fun.
the trim on the one side, you can lift up, pull the bottom one part of the window
I'll
out.
I'll fix that. Don't worry about it.
Say bye to the camera, Jesse.
Yeah, just